Tennis, elegance, aesthetic perfection. She needs our protection. An epidemic is sweeping across our once great nation, and its name is pickleball.
Yeah.
Here's your pickleball. In the garbage. This is a tennis club, lady.
Get your pickleball out of here.
My name is Dusty Boyd,
You're crushing these old people, Dusty!
but most people know me as the Hammer.
How come you work for your dad teaching 9-year-olds?
He's the guy that almost beat Andy Roddick.
My wrist! Walk it off!
Come on, come on.
Maybe you could, I don't know, hook me up with something for the pain.
Take it easy with this, okay?
Come on, come on.
You wrote a prescription for pickleball?
You didn't actually bring it to the pharmacy, did you?
Oh, of course not. I'm not an idiot.
I know pickleball is sort of dorky, but it's the fastest road back to tennis for you.
Come on in here. Let's bang one out. You know we serve underhand.
What's that?
Underhand.
No, I know, obviously.
Bang! Just take the temperature down. Don't have to hit it that hard.
Dink! Come on! You want a rematch? Yes, I'd like that opportunity.
You could be a great pickleballer. That was fun.
This is about a lot more than just pickleball. It's about the decline of humanity itself.
What can we even do?
We can duel.
Like with guns?
Sadly, no. We settle it on the court.
Everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth.
I'm okay.
Oh, I get it now. It's like tennis, but easy.
You getting ready to lose. I can't believe that this is happening.
All of Roddick's professional achievements are all actually Dusty's.
I'm struggling to connect those dots.
Maybe you need to go to dot connecting lessons.
Nice burn.